How to screen record with Surflex, free online screen recorder. Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a simple and convenient way to capture your screen activities, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Surflex, a fantastic free online screen recorder that allows you to easily record your screen without any hassle. Whether you're creating tutorials, gaming videos, or presentations, Surflex has got you covered. So, let's dive right in and learn how to use this powerful tool. First things first, let's head over to the Surflex website. You can do this by opening your web browser and type in Surflex Screen Recorder. Click to open this first link of nablamind.com. Once you're on the Surflex website, you will find a lot of options that you can do with this Surflex. You can see that with this you can even download video using this Surfast video downloader. You can download YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Facebook videos and many more. Now to record your videos for free. Click on Screen Recorder. Here select Online Free Screen Recorder. Now, before start recording, select the desired recording option and adjust any settings, such as audio input and quality, according to your preferences. Now to start recording. Click on a big Start Recording button. Surflex will ask for permission to access your screen. Click Allow to grant permission and start recording. Now, you'll see a toolbar with various recording options, such as recording the entire screen, a specific application window, or a custom area. Now start recording whatever you need. And remember, with this recorder you will not see any watermark, so this is so amazing. When you're done, click on Stop Sharing. Now here is the video, so that's how we can record the video for free without watermark. Now click on Download. Here is the video. Okay. Now if you want to download this Surflex video recorder on your desktop, click here on Get Desktop App. Click on Start Download. Then double-click to open up the installer. Click on Install. The software will start to download, and remember, this will depend on your network speed. When you're done, click on Start Now. Here we can now start recording our videos offline for free. You can even record up to 1920 Full HD. Again, to record you can click on Start. And then the software will start recording everything that you want. During the recording, you can use the toolbar to pause, resume, or stop the recording as needed. After you've finished recording, Surflex will automatically save the recording to your device. You can then review, edit, or share the recording as you wish. Even if you want to access more features, you can click on Upgrade to the full version. Here you can select which package that you would like to use, then after click on Buy Now. Select the payment method that you would like to use. After getting your license code, enter it here. And then after click on Activate. Now there you have a full version of this software. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to screen record with Surflex, a free online screen recorder. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips.